it's me, Kristincenayt. Welcome to another Lookfantastic unboxing. I know guys, it has been a couple of months ever since I uploaded a Lookfantastic unboxing. To be honest, I have been lazy in uploading videos, but here I am now guys to show you the December Lookfantastic box. And this year, for 2019, I do love the December box. Like, it's so holiday and Christmassy. And let me just show you the old one. This is the 2018 one, and I believe this one is way cuter. And yeah, I just love the box and I keep on collecting them. So without further ado, let's just open the box, make this a video quick. Yeah, I just got home from work, that's why I have makeup on, and yeah, I am doing my Lookfantastic unboxing. So we have here in every box, you will see this tiny booklet. It will show you guys some information about the products that you'll be receiving. This month there's this Elle magazine by the cover is Katie Holmes. So every month as well in the Lookfantastic box, there's always gonna be an Elle magazine, which is cute. For those who do not know, Lookfantastic is actually around 14 pounds, but in Australia, since I live here in Australia, I actually pay $20, which is alright. This comes from London, so that's not too bad with all the things that I've been receiving. And ta-da! How cute are these? Now it's time for you to show you the six premium items that I'll be receiving this month. I have received this month. So the first thing for sure is this sleek makeup eye divine mineral based eyeshadow palette. I always look forward to makeup or cosmetic products when it comes to subscription boxes. So this one retails for $8.99, and I got the Goodnight Sweetheart. Okay, so here is what I have received. Those are the colors that I have, and it's more the dark colors and metallic and matte, and it's more on the metallic side of the palette. For this one, I am happy already with the box. Next product that I'll show you guys is this Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not sure if this is a full size. It seemed to me that this is deluxe sample. I'm not sure. So yeah, it's an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Ooh, that's pretty. It is matte in finish and very dark black, which is what I love. And also look at that, it's so pretty, and the tip, it's a felt tip and nice as well. For the third item that we have here is this Eyelure Fluttery Light. Why is it familiar? The brand Eyelure. So this is their light and wispy. To be honest, I don't know how to like use this type of makeup stuff. It's a struggle for me to apply these, so I hope when I try this one out it wouldn't be that crazy. Now for the fourth item guys, we have this Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. Okay, so this is a mask. Oh I just said this is a mask, but in the directions it says this is not a mask. The peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of the face. Okay, not a mask, it's just a peeling gel. I already have a peeling gel, but yeah, let me just try this one as well. So I think another sample, deluxe sample. Now next, Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil. This is heat or UV protective primer. So spray on damp hair, comb and thoroughly and style. Okay, so more on protecting the hair. Yeah, it has a coconutty smell. Let me just put this on my hair. So this is 1 fluid ounce. So if you don't like fragrance, this has fairly strong scent for me. Now for the last one, guys, this is the Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. This is actually for the face. This is just for firming and lift cream. So that's what I noticed with Lookfantastic. I think they cater more on ladies or people out there that are more on having mature skin, because this is for firming and lift cream, and I think I did not need that yet because I'm still young, and it doesn't mean that you're young that you're gonna put like lifting cream or anti-aging. I think it's too early. Those are all the 6 items, and you know what, because of this I can say that I'm already happy with what I received. But yeah, not too bad with these 2 cosmetics. And this one, not a fan because I don't use false lashes, as I've already mentioned earlier. So, and the rest are just sample sizes, and I've already have this love-hate relationship with Lookfantastic because they've been keeping on sending deluxe sample. I keep on complaining, but actually, yeah, I don't know with you guys. What do you think of this month? But for me, it's okay, but not that I didn't love it that much. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to see more Lookfantastic unboxing. Bye!